So you okay, this video. So in today's video, you already seen by the title, I will be, let me go get it, handcuffed to my mother for 24 hours or for a whole day, but she doesn't know about it. Also, I'll be doing a prank on her that let me show you again. I got this from Party City, by the way. I was like, can I get some handcuffs? And she was like, and I was like, anyway, these are the keys for the handcuffs, right? As you can see, I'm gonna prank my mom that I lost them. She's gonna freak out. I mean, I would freak out too if I lost the keys, but I'm gonna find somewhere to put them and be like, oh, I don't know where I put the keys at. So I'm gonna call her into my room and be like, hey mom, let me show you something. Just trap her into the handcuffs. You can be real mad at me, but it's okay. Don't forget to follow my social media. Make sure you follow my Instagram and my Instagram, my personal and my spam account, because I'm very active. I'm more active on my spam account. I try to connect more with my followers. I'm gonna hide the what's it called? The keys in this box right here, like right in front of. So she's already in the car, so I'm just have to surprise her while we're in the car. So I'll see you in the car. Okay guys, so I made it in the car. I have my beautiful mother, I have my baby brother, and then I have my beautiful sister. Guys, I'm trying to do it, but I'm not trying to be so suspicious. I have the handcuffs under a jacket. Okay mom, you ready for your surprise? You ready for your surprise?
Surprise.
You have a surprise? I have a surprise for you.
Hey baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? Jayray, take these things out. What are you doing?
Okay,
especially
so
while I'm driving.
Mom, so me.
Boy, if you don't take these doggone things off, what are you doing?
Mom, it's not that.
Hey, I am driving. Why would you do something like this? What are you doing?
Nothing. So me and my mom are being handcuffed for 24 hours straight.
I be the doggone we are. You better
Mom,
take the doggone things off. Don't do this. You better take these things off. I'm telling you.
Mom, we're gonna try to spend quality mother and son time.
Why do you have me handcuffed though? Why we can't spend quality time together without being handcuffed? Where you even get these from? See, you do stuff like this because you know when I'm driving. You know better than this. What is wrong with you? Take these handcuffs off now. Oh boy! Take these things off. I'm gonna slide it right through my wrist. Stop! Boy, these things hurt. I have never been in handcuffs. Take these things off. And why would you do this while I'm driving?
Mom, it's not that bad. It's not even bad.
What I tell you about saying something is not that bad? Didn't I tell you gotta say if it's not that bad, then it's bad?
Mom, we're gonna spend quality time.
Ooh, that camera, and you about to be thrown out of this car. Wait a minute, where's the key?
I don't have the key. I'm telling you, I don't have the key. That's why we're gonna be handcuffed for 24 hours. Mom, are you happy that we're actually spending time together? Oh, handcuffs for 24 hours with my mother. I bet you never seen a mother and a son do this ever on YouTube.
Cause it's stupid.
But it's actually smart. I get to spend time.
Where is the key?
I don't have the key. I keep saying I don't have the key, Mom. So it's like you're gonna be stuck for 24 hours.
Man, we ain't gonna be stuck nowhere for 24 hours. We're about to go into a store. I am not walking with you in a store with handcuffs on. Jayray, take these things off.
Mom, I can't because I don't have
these things
Mom.
off.
Mom, I don't have the key.
What happens when I gotta go to the restroom?
You're gonna have to hold it.
No, I'm not holding nothing. Where's the key?
I will see you a little later when me and my mom pull up to the store.
No, you finna take these things off now.
And
Jayray, I am not playing with you.
I will see you.
I am not playing with you.
I don't know when I will see you, but I know I'm gonna see you pretty soon. And I'll talk to you guys a little bit later.
Oh my! Ooh, and then when you have to go to the bathroom, oh heck no! Take these things off
now.
Leave me alone right now.
Okay, guys, I'll see you in a little bit.
Get that out of my face right now.
It's not even. It doesn't even hurt because look, you still got some space.
Look.
Right there.
Look right here. Look right
there.
here.
Y'all see that space right there?
Look where it did to my skin.
That was you because you kept jerking.
Yes.
You kept jerking my. That's why you keep getting marks on yourself. No.
I hope y'all love Jayray.
Mom, I can.
Because he's going to be in the most world biggest trouble. It hasn't even been invented yet how much trouble he's going to be when these handcuffs get off my wrist. Okay? I got to put my... Get these things off of me. Get these things off. Come on. Wait a minute. I am not walking in the store with these on, boy. You are out of your mind. I am not going to give nobody no way of even to think that we are... Oh.
Yeah. But we have a jacket so we can cover it up, right?
Jacket don't mean nothing. How are we going to get out? I need my jacket.
Jayray, you're gonna have to crawl.
Tell you what. That's right. We're going to be handcuffed. We finna go to the makeup store.
No.
We finna go to the women's shoe store.
No.
Oh yeah. We're gonna go Victoria's Secret or to everything that a man hates to see a woman do. Yeah, let my son see other women put on makeup. Yeah.
Oh,
I can't.
no.
Yeah.
No.
Give me my pie.
No, wait, you gotta be.
Pull it. Pull. Just pull him. Just pull him. Just pull him. Just pull him. Just pull it.
I can't.
Step it out.
Oh my! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Oh my Father! God have mercy!
So, Mom, how do you like this experience?
I'm gonna put my jacket on.
I don't know. You have to be very creative.
It is, boy. People got right there.
Guys, me and my mom having some mother and son time. It's getting kind of dark. We're in the park.
Put your arms down, boy.
So now me and my mom are in the parking garage.
And we look crazy. Show them how we walking.
It's not even that crazy.
Crazy. That is suspicious.
No one's gonna know.
That looks suspicious.
No, it's not.
Oh my God.
See, Mama, just think about it. If I was walking the mall
Watch that. And
I
you saw somebody doing that,
I wouldn't even think about it.
You gonna say that looks weird?
I'm like, oh, that's
That looks
creative. Let me try that. They
Put your
gonna.
arm down like you normal. Oh my God.
This
I know
part-
that's hard to do because this is not normal.
No one's even gonna notice anything. I promise you. We're about to walk into the mall.
This is punishment. That's okay.
It's punishment for you.
Punishment where I'm walking handcuffs on. That's not what you do when you spend time with somebody.
Yes, you
Surprise
do.
them by handcuffing you.
Just spending quality time with my mom. That's my beautiful sister. Say hi. Alex, say hi. Say. I said say hi. Don't cough on the baby.
Spend quality time. We can go to the
because
makeup
Champs.
store.
Which one of these companies currently you?
So me and my mom have made it. We can't. I don't think we can record in the mall. So I'm gonna have to
You should
record
have
at
thought
this
about
angle.
that the first time.
But I'm just gonna record at this angle right here. We're going. She really want to go to Sephora.
I feel so. Oh yeah, we finna go do some makeup, son. It's ridiculous. Of course, that people gonna be blowing horns and.
Look, someone said, hey, I know y'all heard that.
I did.
Mom, you gotta...
Oh my gosh.
Shouldn't you?
Stupid. My word.
Oh. Having fun today, Mom? We will be seeing you at the store. Okay, so guys, me and my mom are at Costco's. And this time, she's not scared because we have the handcuffs out in public.
No, ain't nobody been scared. I said this is stupid.
Oh yeah. I gotta do this teamwork. Teamwork makes it work. Where we gonna go? So Mom, you gotta come, Mom, we gotta make this work.
This is.
Are we in frame?
This is too much time.
You have to bend down with.
I'm not bending nowhere. You better make it find another way. Use your feet.
Now we're trying to find the Costco's water.
Let me ask the guy back here. Excuse me. Is no more Costco's water?
No.
Really?
Oh man,
What happened? Do I miss something?
There's a virus going around. I guess people are all freaked out about it and they're buying it like it's going out of style. We even had extra trucks bring some in.
Everybody's freaking out about the coronavirus. So, looks like we won't be able to drink no water tonight.
Yes. I'm not doing it. Figure this out.
See, let's go together.
You know I'm not appreciating. I know.
Like this, mother and son goes right here. Where I go, she goes. Come on, let's go this way.
Don't you drag me.
Let's go this way. No, I want to go this way. But Mom, what are you doing? Mom, what are you doing? I want to go this way.
Hanging out with me today, right?
No.
You doing what I'm doing?
Yeah, and you want to get them cream cheese croissants.
Oh my gosh, it sounded so good.
That sounds nasty. I don't like cream cheese. Like the one that tastes, it tastes nasty and it tastes
But
artificial.
it's not about I. Why are you saying
But ain't nobody else likes them.
Alex did. The reason why I'm not going off on him today
Because
I know
we're in public with the
that too.
white.
Nuh-uh.
I'm just like,
That too
this is your second time.
is because
You gonna-
I know he's doing this for y'all,
Yes.
which it don't even matter. Because when these handcuffs come off when he get home, that cannot go on tape. Oh yeah, he gonna get it.
The amount of looks that we got throughout this whole process is not the best. But you know, I decided not to care because, you know, as you become a YouTuber and you start like doing stuff in public and vlogging out and having the camera, you just can't really care what people think about you. It's, people like stare at us and stuff, and I think that's why my mom doesn't want to, you know, we're doing this for you. So like this video.
Yeah, because this is the last time this is gonna happen. So I hope y'all enjoyed it.
Yes.
This right here is not cool. Kids, don't do that to your parents.
Kids, if you want to spend quality time with your parents,
Take them out to
and
eat.
take them, just buy
Why
some
do that?
handcuffs. No, buy some handcuffs at Party City. $8, $9, $10, and this how you
And
spend
don't do
quality.
it while they drive.
Yeah, and do what? Yes, you have to, so they won't let go, and then you just lose the key. And
He
then-
had people coming up to him like, oh man, you vlogging, like that's not cool, man. Then you got people laughing at us. That's not how you spend time with your parents.
but it worked. But it worked because she can never leave my
This is
side.
my birthday month. You gonna? Oh yeah, I'm gonna give you a list of stuff that you're gonna have to buy me to spend time with me. Yes, we're gonna start with my nails. My feet.
We have came back.
Son, it's been a long day. Come on.
Still ain't
Well,
I'm about to end the video. Okay?
yeah, because
So-
we gotta go see Green. Come on.
But today has ended. We had a fun day, right, Mom? A fun mother and son day. And I really enjoyed today, even though I kind of forced you against your will. To
Yeah,
spend
that's
time
not
with me.
cool.
Make sure you follow all my social medias. Make sure you follow my spam account and my personal account. And I post every single Wednesday. Make sure you turn your post notifications.
5,
And make sure you follow my mom on
4,
MySpace.
3.
And I will see you in the
to
next
MySpace.
video.
Does they even can still exist?
I think so. But I'll see you in the
MySpace?
next video.
Boy,
Okay.
son, you really need to come on. Where's the key? That's enough. That's the key. Where's the key?
The key.
Where's the key? There's no key in here.
I think I lost it.